Well, navigators, welcome back. Today we are celebrating Razzle Dazzle on our Navigate the Plate. So very excited. We're going to try our brunch, see what different options are, see if there's sometimes like a secret menu item. So looking forward to taking you along. Come on, let's go.
So Colleen, what are you thinking about?
I think I'm going to try the sunny side hash today. It's sunny side eggs, Napa cabbage, kimchi, rooted vegetables, and scallion yogurt. I think I'm going to hold on any starters because I really want to try out the sushi at sea. So, and I also want to leave some room for the rainbow churros.
Yeah, I think I'm going to start off. I'm going to do the avo toast, and then I think I'm going to get the everything salmon bowl, and then I think we're going to split the rainbow churros. At the end, I am going to ask them if they have any naughty starters.
Ooh, that sounds good.
So we'll find out. So if there's a naughty starter that's not on the menu, we'll check it out for you. We just got some scone, second baked good of the day. And you got some apricot puppy thing.
Oh, it looks delicious.
It does look delicious. What do you think? Got the beautiful avocado toast. I would never pay for avocado toast, but since everything's included here with Virgin Voyages, I'm gonna try out this avocado toast. It's got a good crunch on it. All right, let's give this a shot here. It's avocado toast. Delicious, got a little, there might be a little hot sauce or something on there, but very good, very refreshing. A lovely way to start our meal here, or our brunch at Razzle Dazzle. So this is the classic salmon bowl. It looks very delicious.
On the naughty list.
On the naughty list, yep. I don't do the vegetarian thing. There's some bacon also on the naughty list.
And then I've got some eggs and like a twist on a hash.
So is that vegetarian hash?
Yes.
Okay, you have to let us know how it is.
I know, it looks good.
Feeling my bacon over there?
I'm definitely feeling naughty at the vegetarian restaurant having the bacon, but oh, it's good. Nice and crispy, can't go wrong. But this, you know what I really like, I think, about Razzle Dazzle, and maybe it's going to be all the restaurants on the cruise ship, some portions are nice and small. You're not feeling like stuffed and like kind of gross afterwards. So far, really, really good.
And this salmon bowl is super, it's really good. It's definitely on the savory side, so it's got some, I don't know if it's bok choy or spinach, and salmon, obviously, some kimchi, I think, some rice, and more avocado. So if you're feeling more on the savory side, and you feel like you want to be healthy, I think this might be the breakfast option. But of course, I'm going to dig into some of that bacon before Colleen eats all of it. But this is really good. Churros time is here. What do you think about that, Colleen?
It is very colorful, and all I see is sugar right now. So,
all right. Well, I hear
a boost.
I hear if you eat one, you turn into a unicorn. How does that sound?
I can see that. And it's pure sugar.
Is that churros-rific? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's enjoy these churros and get on out of here. So we just finished up our meal at Razzle Dazzle. It's great. The churros, a little sugary for my liking, but again, definitely recommend. One of the things too is most people don't know this. They just book their dinners, but they forget to book the brunches. So you can book your brunch, Razzle Dazzle, the wake. So make sure you do that well before you get on. But if you enjoyed this episode, give it a subscribe. And again, we'll see you on the next Navigate the Plate.